Alright, so what I have here is a gay rights history presentation that I have made. What I am going to demonstrate today is how to kind of spice up your presentation by changing the words and the bullet points to different colors, just to kind of match whatever theme you have going on. Mine is obviously the rainbow flag. So what we're going to do is we're going to first take the words and we're going to switch them to the color that we want. So you can start off by highlighting if you've already typed. Come up here to this little A, drop it down, and there's a slew of colors here. I'm going to go ahead and choose red. Another thing that we are going to need to do is change the bullet point so that way it's all kind of more uniform. So you go up here to this little bullet points tab and you click the drop down button. Once you do that, you can change it if you like, or you can leave it just the regular plain bullet point. Come down here to bullets and numbering, click on that, and then you're going to come down here, there's a color selector down here as well. You're going to click on that and make it whatever color you choose. You click on that and you just press OK, and there you have it. That's all.